This story comes from Texas, and it's about a San Antonio police officer who was fired due to claims of domestic violence and violating a court order from a judge, has had his criminal charges suspiciously dismissed days before he was scheduled for arbitration.
That's so odd.
We'd better investigate.
So Jonathan Montalvo once faced charges of family violence because he choked his girlfriend.
Then that's very illegal.
Wow, that's aggressive.
It's in their nature, they can't help it.
Business as usual.
And he was in violation of his bond conditions because he was caught near that girlfriend again.
Stop it.
When he was told to stay away from her.
Get some help.
So it doesn't matter if the initial domestic violence claim was false and had no merit. Once a judge tells you to do something and you don't do it, that is contempt of court.
Very illegal.
And so the fact that both charges have been dismissed, even though he violated what a judge told him, demonstrates that there is one standard for you and a completely different standard for police officers.
It seems to me a strange thing.
Because as the many consent decrees across the country have shown you, and even cases like this, police officers violate what judges tell them to do all the time.
It's in their nature, they can't help it.
And yet they are not punished or held to the same standard that you and me are held to.
Guarantee.
This man was first arrested in November 2019 for felony strangulation and also for, once again, having contact with his alleged victim.
I'd say that sounds illegal.
And his original arbitration was set to November the 2nd of this year. However, the city posted that his arbitration has been rescheduled for March 2022. And now that this information has been made public and essentially the media has cut off any chance of this guy being seen as a good cop,
Because he isn't.
Montalvo surrendered his peace officer's license and is currently no longer seeking his job. And this story shows you that sometimes the media, even though they are not law enforcement officers, has a responsibility to report on stories like this, because this story from KSAT News or KSAT.com made it impossible for this man to get his job back. So I salute KSAT News, because people like this should not be in policing. And to be honest with you, he should be behind bars. Thanks for watching. If you would like more deep dive content, please go subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you want more shorter content, you can check out my TikTok. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and follow. But most importantly, make sure you share the content with everyone that you know so that we can hold cops accountable. Until next time, horns up, peace out, good night, and good luck.